In this video, I'll show you how you can use rulers in Sketch, which is very useful. So if you don't have the rulers already in the interface, you can simply go on the top right part where there is this view button. You just click on it and you select show rulers so that this check mark will appear next to it. At this point, you should see the rulers in the top and the left part of the screen. And in order to use them, as you can see, once you hover over them, this red line is going to appear. And if you want to fix it and lock that ruler up, you just click on it. And as you can see, the line now is fixed over there. So you can simply move around and you're gonna notice that line is fixed. And in case you want to simply move it either on the right or on the left side, you can click on it on the top part and you'll move it around. So remember to click on the top part, because if you click over here, nothing will change. And the exact same rules apply for the horizontal rulers. And yeah, this is basically it for this lesson. Rulers can be really useful. I use them all the time. And also, by the way, let's say that I'm going to have like an artboard, and I'm going to create multiple rulers. So let's add some different lines. And now let's say that I want to remove all of these rulers in the artboard. So I can either go on the top part and click and say remove all vertical guides, and on the left part I can do the same, so remove all horizontal guides. It will simply remove the guides in both the horizontal and vertical way. But what I do nowadays, it's using a plugin which it's called remove all guides, and I can simply select the artboard. I go on remove all guides, I click on it, and bam, it's going to remove all of them. And I can do the same if I'm having like a lot of artboards. So let's say that I have 50 artboards, and each of these 50 artboards have different rulers in the top and left part. I can just select all of them, and once I have all of them selected, I'll just go in the plugin, and it will allow me to remove all the guides in all these multiple artboards. So I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, you can email me or drop a comment below, and I will get back to you.